Welcome to Windows Guide. If you wish to de-bloat your computer, then please watch this video. The first method is to use a script to remove redundant programs. I have mentioned the script in the description section of the video. Search for Windows PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. If you get the prompt, click on Yes. Now, copy-paste the de-bloat script and hit Enter. Your system has been de-bloated significantly now. The second method is to perform a disk cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on Disk Cleanup to open the tool. The tool will need a few seconds to analyze the space. Then, check all the boxes in the Disk Cleanup window. Each and every one of them. You may have to scroll a little. Finally, click on OK. Select the option to delete files. This will free up a lot of space on your system. I hope this is helpful. Please let us know in the comments section. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel.